Wash white leather sneakers. You don't need bleach. Turns out, there's a way to make white shoes look like new again. In a large bowl, pour in 1 tablespoon of baking soda. It has whitening properties. It also removes sweat odor from inside the shoes. Add 1 tablespoon of salt. It's a great cleaning and disinfecting agent. Then, add 1 tablespoon of regular laundry detergent. Make sure it doesn't contain chemical bleach. Finally, pour in 1 tablespoon of hydrogen peroxide. It's the secret ingredient that boosts the cleaning power of the mix. Pour in 1 cup of water and stir everything until it forms a smooth mixture. Look at my white sneakers. After last summer, they're very dirty and discolored. I scoop up the mixture and apply it to the shoes. I do it generously. I scrub using a sponge or brush. The foam practically cleans the shoes by itself. I don't even have to try hard. You can quickly see the shoes becoming white again. At the end, I rinse them with water, and done. They look like new again, and the leather didn't get damaged.